competition?
Yeah.
Do you think you're gonna win?
I don't know.
You don't
Because
know.
This is my first time building out of the sand.
Oh, it's your first time?
I haven't
That's even more impressive.
like dug a lot of holes.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I hope you have a lot more fun today.
And my octopus, I know how long they could get. I think they could get like, their tentacles could get like 4 feet.
You're gonna keep building them out?
No.
No.
But in real life, it could get 4 to 8 feet,
Oh, wow.
I think.
Do you like octopus? Yeah.
It's okay, me too.
Is that your favorite animal?
No.
What's your favorite animal?
In the water, it's a shark.
Sharks. That's a good choice.
Yeah. I don't know how to build them.
Well, thank you so much. I really hope you have a great time today. I hope you win the competition.
So, specifically, what's the idea behind a mermaid's hair?
So it's little pieces of tinsel. So it's not this whole package here. It's one piece. It's tied into your hair individually. So, and it can last for days, weeks, or more. If I tie it tightly, it lasts as long as the hair it's tied to stays in your head. And you can do whatever you normally do with your hair. You wash it, blow dry it, swim.
That's so cool.
That's
Thank you so
It's very
much.
pretty and sparkly.
I hope you get a good turnout today.
Great, thank you.